Everybody keeps telling you how strong you are, but I don't think you're strong. I think you've just been carrying more than anyone knows. You've smiled through things that would have broken most people. You've convinced the whole world you're okay. I just wish someone would have asked if you were. I see the smile the whole world notices, but I can see beyond your eyes. You've gotten so good at hiding heartache, most folks never realize. You've learned to carry every burden, and like it's yours and yours alone. You've been surrounded by so many people, yet somehow still alone. You don't have to keep pretending, not with me.